Let's unbox these packages. Let's start with the biggest one. So let's see what it is. It's raining right now and I am just chilling. Oh, I think I know what this is. These are the Damiki shampoo and conditioner. This is shampoo and conditioner from Japan. It's called the Miki Tokyo. I've never tried it. Thank you to Miki. And we do have two little cards. I guess these tell you a little bit about the products. They do have body wash, shower oil, different things. That's what it looks like. Let's do this one. It looks like the same box. Oh, it's more products. This is the more shampoo. Thank you, Damiki. I'll definitely try that out and I'm gonna do a whole review on that. Let's do this one. This is from Frankly Skincare. Frankly Skincare is a Korean skincare brand. This is the Closer Serum. Look at that packaging, it's so nice. It has no scent. Ooh, it's very slimy. Nice. I will try this out. Thank you, Frankly Skincare, and I will do a full video on this. This is the Pore Reducing Serum. Thank you. Do this pink little box. I think I know what this is, but let's see. Look at that. Bigger, better birthday, celebrating 15 years. Grande Cosmetics. See what they sent me. They sent me a little sample of the brightening eye cream. Oh wow. They sent me the Grande Mascara and the Grande Lash Serum. I've never tried the mascara, but this is so cute. Thank you, Grande Cosmetics. I will do a review on this as well. Last but not least is this package. This is the heaviest one. I don't know what's in here. In case you're wondering what I'm using to open my boxes, it's in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check it out. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampule. So this is a Korean skincare. I'm gonna open it so you can see it. I guess this is some sort of serum. It has Centella Asiatica and it's from Madagascar. Calming and hydrating. Wow, that's a big bottle. Look at this. I have a big hand, so I've never seen an ampule this big for serum. This is ridiculous. Look at this. I have a big face too, but look at that. That's nice. I think this is from Yes Style. Wow, okay. The second thing we got was the light cleansing oil. I'm not a big fan of cleansing oils, but I will definitely try it. This is the cleansing oil. I really love the packaging. Look how nice and simplistic that is. I'll definitely try this out. Thank you. Then we have it's the same brand, the Skin 1004 Hyaluronica Water Fit Sunscreen Serum, SPF 50 plus, PA++++. This is the packaging. It is really nice. I really like the packaging. I've heard of this brand before, but I've never tried it. I have heard of this sunscreen. I'm gonna try it on. scent. Really nice texture. I love Korean sunscreens. They're just so nice on the skin. So yeah, I'll try that out too. I'll do a whole little video of this whole routine. Same brand, Skin 1004, the Hyaluronic Silky Fit Sun Stick. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is a sunscreen that you can, it's a stick, so you can keep this in your purse and reapply as the day goes by if it's, you know. How cute, look at that. How cute is that? It's like deodorant, but this is the, wow, that's so cute, right? And this is the box. So not least, we have one more product left. We have the Skin 1004 Probiotica Bakuchiol Eye Cream. Centella Asiatica. Okay, so this is some eye cream. I really love the packaging of this. Oh, here's the, this is what it looks like. Wow, honestly, their packaging is so nice. Like, it feels really good. It feels like really good quality too, packaging. It's not cheap at all. You take the top off, product out. I don't know if any product is coming out. Yeah, there is. Okay, and I guess you like apply it like that, but I'm just gonna put it on my hand like this. Wow, it feels really nice. So I guess you just apply it like that after you put your serums on. That's really nice. I'm so excited to try all this product. This is my first unboxing that I've had with like multiple products, so I'm like really excited. Thank you so much. If you're a new company in skincare from anywhere in the world and you want to send me products so I can try it out, please contact me on my email and I will get back to you. Please stay tuned for more skincare content. I'll be posting more about all these products and my first impressions and after I try them and what I thought. So yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.